Today we will discuss about productivity programs. So what are productivity programs? We can use different computer programs to perform a variety of tasks. We can use computer programs to organize numbers, write letters or proposals, maintain records, create and modify images, convert text into visuals, and create magazines and brochures. All the programs used for all these features are known as productivity programs. So first of all, we have word processing and publishing program. We use word processing programs to create and modify text based documents. You can type in and modify text, use the spelling checker and build in thesis and the format in the document. What we can do in the word processing softwares, in these we can do modified text. We can check for the spellings whether the spellings are right or wrong. These softwares provide the options or the suggestions for the right spellings as well if you have written wrong spellings, and build in thesis property is there. What is this property? By using this option you can check the same meaning words for that particular word. Fine. And we can also format the document. Formatting means we can change the color, we can change the text size, we can change the font style, we can change many more things in the appearance of the text. By using these programs we can also create personal and professional documents. Microsoft Office Word is a commonly used word processing program. Publishing programs are used to combine text and graphics to create documents such as brochures, greeting cards, annual reports, books, or magazines. Like if we wanted to create our book, we can write in MS Word. Fine. First of all, we'll write that book in MS Word as a document. After that, the book will went for publishing. I hope it is clear to you how the MS Word window looks like. This is our MS Word window looks like. So, the second productivity program is the presentation program. We use presentation programs to present our information in the form of slides. Right now I am presenting my information at front of you in the form of slides only. We can also add sound and pictures to these slides to make them more attractive and more informative. Microsoft Office PowerPoint is commonly used as presentation program. Here you can see this is a Microsoft Office PowerPoint window. Then third productivity program is the spreadsheet programs. We use spreadsheet programs to create budgets, manage accounts, perform mathematical calculations, and convert numerical data into charts and graphs. All these things we can perform in spreadsheet programs. Spreadsheet programs store information in table with the values spread over horizontal rows and the vertical columns. Here you can see this is one spreadsheet program. Here you can see it is a combination of rows and columns and looks like a table, but it is not table exactly. These are the vertical columns and these one are the horizontal columns. A B C D E F G H, these are the column headers, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are the row headers. A combination of a row and a column is known as a cell. Here you can see A1 is a cell here. Fine. Or we can say that each value is stored in a cell. A cell is the intersection of a row and a column. Microsoft Office Excel is an example of a spreadsheet program. Fine. Now we have database programs. We use database programs to store and manage data in an organized way. By using these programs, we can also sort or search for the information stored in the database. In addition, we can create simple reports from the data that you have stored. For example, we can use a database program to store customer details, create and manage inventory, and track sales. We can then create reports to target sales or plan customer services. An example of database program is Microsoft Office Access. So what we can, why we use database program? Because with the help of database everything can be stored in a very organized way. Fine. For example, I have stored the data of the student in a database as well as in a Excel file. So what is happening there? I have two files there in the Excel. One is for the student's personal detail and second is for the student's marks detail. In both the files, I have student name and the other detail. In the second marks detail file, we have student name with their marks detail. So one student came to me. The person says, "My name is Ashvi, not Ashvi Kapil." Fine. So please correct my name in the file. So at that instant of time, I opened my personal detail file and I have changed that name over there. But I forgot to change the name in that second file. So there is a problem. But in the case if you are using database program, what will happen? There will be two tables for storing these kind of data. One for personal detail, another one for marks detail. In personal detail I will have my name, father name and other detail, other personal detail. What they will do, they will assign unique id to each and every student, like roll number. They will assign roll number to each and every student. In that second table they will use my roll number only. They will not repeat my name in that table. They will use my roll number and then the subject marks, like Hindi subject marks, English marks and so on. If someone comes to me and tells, please change my name from Ashvi Kapil to Ashvi, okay, I'll update in single table. Then the changes will reflect in all the database. So these are very beneficial. I hope it is clear to you. The MS Assist window will look like this. After that, we have graphic programs. We use graphic programs to create and edit drawings. We can use these programs to enhance photographs. The paint program is an example of graphic program that allows us to create drawings. Here is the paint program. Thank you so much everyone. I think it is clear to you. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay home.